Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get traffic on Pinterest, and this in a short video. Alright, first of all we go to create, we click on pin because we want to create a pin. Then from here we click on this picture right there and then we click on next, and now we can start our traffic gainer. So right now we need to make a good title, so motivation Saturday. And then #1 because this is our first pin for the motivational photos. And then after this you need to create a strong and good description like this. So give me a little second. On this Saturday you will see this motivational picture. Keep this quote in mind. This quote will help you in a daily life. This is a strong description combined with my title. So the CEO of this pin is very good. And right now we want to add as many hashtags that is possible. So we have motivation, we want to add Saturday, we want to add lifestyle, we want to add money, we want to add, let's say better life, something like that. Oh, that is not there. No, hashtag better. But you can add as many hashtags that is possible. Then after that, do create. Wait a few seconds. And right now, if you go to saved and check our profile on pins like this, we just created a pin with a strong description and a lot of hashtags. And if you wait a few days, you will see that people can find you very easily. So this is the best way how you can get traffic on Pinterest. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.